guys, papunta akong work ngayon and nag-skin prep muna ako before doing my makeup. So, very important kasi mag-skin prep lalo na kung medyo nag-age na tayo. Like me,
What?
I'm turning 40 this July. Oh my gosh. Ang bilis ng panahon. Let it dry or let it soak into your skin. Char. After doing my skin prep, yun lang, as in, moisturizer lang. I'm using this Lux Organics Aloe Vera and Snail Soothing Gel. Moisturizing, firming, and brightening. Kasi kailangan na natin yun, firming. Kasi nag-iiba yung skin texture natin and skin type natin again if you're turning 40 or if you're aging. Before kasi ang ginagamit ko is yung Lux Organics Aloe Vera. So yeah, after that, gel brow, O'Chill, O'Chill, anyways, O'Neill, char. So, binabrush ko lang muna siya ng paganyan. Sa mismong eyebrows. Minsan pa ganyan, pero minsan diretso na siyang ganyan. Hindi ko masyadong dinidikit sa skin ko. So, see? Back. Kapag gusto ko lang ng more of natural looking eyebrows, since I have bushy eyebrows, ganyan lang yung ginagawa ko. And then, nag-apply lang din ako ng eyebrow gel or eyebrow pencil, kung anong meron ako, just to enhance the color of my brows. Before, ay, ito isa umuuga, ito hindi. Ba't ganun? Sige po, ugain natin siya. Before kasi, I'm using foundation. Pero, na-realize ko, as you age, kailangan medyo mas i-simplify natin yung paggamit ng makeup. At yung ginagamit ko lately, First Base Everyday Skin Tint, which has a broad spectrum SPF 30. This is from Colorette. Ayun lang nilalagay ko. And don't forget to put some on your ears na rin. The difference, this one and this is yung without. This one is yung meron and this one yung without. Don't mind this one kasi nag-allergy ako dyan. Hindi ko alam kung saan. But anyways. Maganda to kasi meron siyang whitening effect. Ano yun, nag-glow or added brightening. Grabe, ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakapag makeup review. See? Natatakpan niya yung mga redness and blemishes ko. Sa neck, wait, nalagyan ko lang dito. Grabe yung pula, oh. Tingnan nyo, guys. This is so amazing. Natatakpan niya yung mga redness ko. Hindi siya ganun ka-visible. So, hindi to foundation, ha? This is just a skin tint. Anyways, this is not sponsored. Lahat ng to ay sariling pera. I've done some sponsored video, sponsored product review before. Let's make it simple. I'm just gonna be using, ano na dito? Ito na lang yung luma. Ito kasing lumang O'Chill or O'Kill, whatever, eyebrow mascara. Until now, meron pa rin siyang pigment. Matagal na rin sa akin to. And binabalik-balikan ko tong product na to. Very consistent siya sa kilay ko. Gusto ko lang ma-enhance. This product naman, guys, I'm gonna be using Beauty Glaze, for my contour. Hindi na nga pointed yung nose ko. Hindi pa tayo magaganito. Okay. Very important yung dito. Kasi meron tayong double chin. And of course, here, ang peg natin kahit nagko-contour tayo is very natural looking lang. Same brush nung ginamit natin for the skin tint. I really love this contour kasi very pigmented siya and very buildable siya. Manageable and everything. For the nose, I'm gonna be using this kind of brush na until now hindi ko pa siya nalilinisan. Actually, Ito kasi yung mga favorite brushes ko, makeup brushes. Kaya pag favorite, sobrang dalang niyang linisan. Grabe yung ilong ko. Alam mo, pinag-iisipan ko kung magpapa-rhinoplasty ba ako. Hindi ako sa ilong ng nanay ko eh. Wow! Anyways, I'm not pango naman. Okay, so there. And then, I'm gonna be using a bronzer from Choo Choo Beauty. For the bronzer, I'm just gonna be putting it here, here, and here. Yeah. Though, hindi pa ka naglalagay ng blush on. For today, ang lalagay natin is this Cheek Tint Perfect Pitch from Instabeauty. This one, and then I'm just using my fingers. Alam niyo, maganda kasi dito sa lip and cheek tint na to. Very manageable siya. Ang dali niyang i-blend. Just like some of my other makeup products. So, yeah. For the lips, I'm just gonna be using this Maange matte lipstick. Kapag ka meron kayong two-tone lips or discoloration sa lips nyo, yeah, just use this kind of lippy. Tingnan niyo yung difference, ha? Kita nyo? Kasi di ba meron akong mga discoloration dito sa part na to. Yung parang medyo outer part na. Here. And ang bilis lang niyang mag-set. Transfer proof to. Hindi siya basta-basta nag-fade or what. And very pigmented din siya. Even matte siya. Yung ginaganyan ko lang siya. Para lang medyo maging smooth. More natural looking. And then sabay lalagyan ko siya ng lip tint from Instabeauty. Ko. Talaga ka ipahiya. Nilagyan ko lang siya nito para at least meron namang ibang shades. Or since colored yung hair ko, this is what I'm using. This is the Well Hair Morocco Argan Oil Hair Serum Hair Care Essential Oil. Yeah, maganda to. This one is 120 ml na siya. Ito rin yung ginagamit ng Junakis ko. Kasi nakakapagpalambot talaga siya ng hair and may shine effect siya. Hindi siya greasy tignan. Magiging healthy looking lang yung hair mo if you're using this kind of hair oil. So, actually 2 pumps lang and very, na siya, spreadable. Magpo-comb lang ako. Wait. Look guys, kung gaano siya ka-healthy looking. See? And very bouncy. So, yeah. There is my makeup look for today. Parang gusto ko kasi mag-headband ngayon. So, yeah. Yun lang. Anyways, this is my look, my makeup look for today. I don't know if you can appreciate it because of my lighting, but yeah. Ito yung look ko for today. So, yun lang guys. Happy weekend. Bye!